The best way to define religion is beliefs and practices grouped and connected together. And then you give it a name and a label. When those set of beliefs and practices are now followed by a larger population, essentially it becomes religion. So the very purpose of religion is to have a common fabric, something that glues and binds the broader community and gives you a purpose and a sense of identity. Whether you need that identity or not is your individual choice, but that is really where religion strives to help you get that identity and makes you feel connected, part of the society, part of the social structure, as they say, and allows you to have a human interaction, allows you to have a bond with everybody around you. In addition, it also defines a set of do's and don'ts, a set of operational practices, often linked to the aspect of morality. A constant debate you would always hear is, well, science does not help define morality, religion does. And all of that stems from this, because the do's and don'ts and the practices are linked to those aspects of morality. Of course, over time, as our experiences evolve, as we observe, as we see things change, religion or not, probably you yourself ended up coming with an element of morality, and that's how the rules and the guidelines and the regulations and the law is all defined to give that sense of morality as well. Now, religion and theism go hand in hand. And the reason they go hand in hand is because theism, as we discussed earlier, infuses a set of characteristics and attributes into a name and form. That is a very good pivot for religion to further cement the common fabric between its community and the constituents of that community. In that sense, religion and theism go hand in hand, and that's why you will have a religion like Hinduism defining here are the sacred books on which we have based our religion upon. We align with the Upanishads, the Gita, and the subsequent scriptures that were written. And all of this is being done to establish a common fabric that individuals can then follow. Now, religious practices, because religion defines a set of do's and don'ts, religious practices can change over time. And the rate of change actually depends on the community following that religion. An active and an inquisitive mind and a thinking community makes the practices rational more and more, suited to a particular geography, suited to a particular point in time. If the community remains passive, then those practices may get outdated and the community may just move on, abandoning religion in many cases. Now, religion, when combined with philosophical, logical knowledge, as an example, the Gita and the Upanishads. Hinduism adopting Gita and the Upanishad as one of its fundamental foundational scripts, when that is accurately followed, drives human excellence. Because now you're developing a community where you're not enforcing what to think, but you're developing a community where you're teaching how to think and allowing the community then to make its own decision, feel it, experience it, and come to a conclusion. Again, all of this if it is being accurately followed.